Welcome to our exploration of how AI tools like Notion AI and Google Gemini are revolutionizing productivity consulting in 2025. First, let's delve into Notion AI. This tool combines note-taking and task management to enhance productivity, perfect for consultants aiming to streamline their workflows. Next, we have Google Gemini. Known for its powerful AI analytics capabilities, it provides data-driven insights tailored for consultants and businesses. When it comes to user-friendliness, both Notion AI and Google Gemini offer unique strengths. However, Notion AI excels in accessibility for beginners, while Gemini is beneficial for data-intensive users. AI-driven strategies can significantly enhance consulting productivity. By leveraging these tools, consultants can automate routine tasks and focus on strategic planning. Let's look at some success stories. We'll explore how businesses used Notion AI and Google Gemini to optimize their consulting practices and achieve remarkable results. Understanding the cost structures of both platforms is crucial. Notion typically follows a subscription model, while Gemini offers tiered pricing based on usage. Integration capabilities are essential for seamless workflow. Both tools can connect with various apps, providing flexibility for consultants in their practices. Looking forward, we expect AI to further redefine productivity consulting. By 2025, these technologies will be even more advanced and integrated into everyday business practices. In conclusion, choosing between Notion AI and Google Gemini depends on your consulting needs. Both platforms have the potential to significantly impact your profitability in 2025.